Hi, this is Adriana, and in this video that I want to share, Vincent Ortega talks about Ethereum and smart contracts. Actually, he's going to do a live workshop, and you are invited to learn all about the crypto world. So we'll listen for a little bit.
Is where it's at. Ethereum's been at 1200 before. It dropped all the way back down to 200 over the last year, and it's going to do another jump up from what we're doing right now. So what you guys want to do, first thing that you can win is Ethereum is going to go from 200 all the way up to about 1,000 to 2,000 within the next 24 months. All right, so they're thinking within a year. So imagine putting in $10,000, it goes to 100,000. That's really what it is. It's a 10x jump over the next year. So you want to get some Ethereum. It's built on the blockchain, so therefore it's they're creating all kinds of loans and contracts. Asia sells real estate deals, and they're starting to use Ethereum for real estate loans and contracts with the smart contracts, which is the bomb. So we're rocking with Forsage as well, if you guys have heard about that. So I'll talk about more of that. You have to get coins first, though, before anything. So number one is get Ethereum, right? Ethereum's at 225. It's just like Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's at 9,000. Bitcoin used to be at like 200. Just, you know, you can actually see all the way that it goes up and down. It's been up to 17,000, 18,000 before. That's why some people get scared of it. But as you can see, it dips and goes up, and it was only at 3,000 a year ago. So you got to know when to ride these waves if you want to earn some extra money for doing nothing. All right. But we rode this wave back in it was 2017, 2.5 years ago, rode it up to 19,000, knew when to get out of that world. And then we were investing in these other coins that were crappy. So now we're just sticking with all Bitcoin, Ethereum. And then as you can see on Coinbase, if you go to getcoinsnow.com, you guys will get $10 free, and I'll get $10 free when you guys invest $100, which is cool. But these are all the number one coins that have been around for a long time. Ethereum's been around since 15. Bitcoin's been around since, I don't even know, I think 10 or 12 years. But Ethereum's designed for the contracts. So you can always search Ethereum. What is Ethereum? It's amazing. I mean, it literally is exactly what everybody needs, so you can trust the market. It's creating smart contracts, which is like nobody can break them when you create them. So that's the magic. So all the companies that I used to be in that owe me money, that $3 million that they should have put in my bank account would have been in my bank account if I was on a smart contract. And so that's why we're doing this new company called Forsage, is because they're doing a smart contract payout. So it's going to be the future is if your compensation plan is not on a smart contract, then what are you doing? That's the deal. So Asia's learning all about it lately. Yeah. So it's cool, but definitely get in here. Buy some Ethereum, go to getcoinsnow.com. You'll get 10, I'll get 10, and you can even invite your friends as well, which you can see. So on this account, I earned $50 over the last little bit, which is cool. So you guys can earn $10 in Bitcoin. And then Ethereum is where you guys want to be at, though, because Ethereum is what's going to jump. And it's already going up right now, as you can see, but you'll have some time to get in there. So then you'll invest it, and we'll teach you how to skyrocket those results, all right, with the other company, with this funnel that I'm creating for it, and also earn $500 commissions on our software. So we have a lot going on. You guys are about to make a lot of money, okay? All right, other than that, I trust Coinbase. As you can see, I showed you the $20,000 transactions that I was doing, so I trust them a lot. There's a new one called crypto.com that just came out, but I like Coinbase. So go to getcoinsnow.com, invest $100 into Bitcoin or Ethereum. I recommend Ethereum, and you'll get $10 extra in Bitcoin on top of that, and I'll get 10 on that too. So it's a nice little extra little 10. But I don't really care about that. I just want you guys to get in this and get Ethereum, because we're about to start multiplying our Ethereum like you won't even believe. So it's going to be another one of those. Every 3 to 4 years, it goes wild. So that's really the key. All right. Much to love.
Much to the love.
So you'll see. I'll put the link below for the training so you can get it. And thank you for watching.